One special aspect in this divination is daily oil anointing Utsavam. Every day for Moolavar Bhagavan, oil is applied and Thirumanjanam, that is divine bathing, is done on a daily basis. This is a very special aspect in this divination. Every day it happens after Vishwarupam, and the oil which is used in the Thirumanjanam is gathered and preserved as well. Everyone must visit this divination and get the blessings of Bhagavan, Devanayagana Brahman, Totadiri Bhagavan, Srivaramanga Nachiyar, Alvars and Acharyas, and our GS Swami.
திங்கள் சேர் மணிமாட நீடு சிறீவர மங்கள நகருரை சங்கு சக்கரத்தாய் தமியேனு கருளாயே.